Median, a small Indonesian city in East Java province, is home to the Indonesian Railway Polytechnic. Here, the first training courses are underway for the operation and maintenance personnel of the Jakarta-Bundong high-speed railway. 173 Indonesians attend the classes taught online by experts in China. The courses started this February with 3 to 6 months of theoretical training targeting drivers, mechanicians, dispatchers, and emergency response personnel. Trainees will leave Median with qualifications before being arranged for practical training on the Jakarta-Bundong HSR.
Dengan adanya kereta cepat ini adalah teknologi baru dan sama sekali belum pernah diajarkan di Indonesia ya. Di Indonesia belum pernah diajarkan. Otomatis itu adalah suatu pengetahuan baru bagi kami semua, baik dosen maupun siswanya juga. Mungkin maksudnya siswa dari KCIC ya, pegawai dari KCIC sendiri. Kemudian juga dari kami dari Sivitas Akademika dari PPI Madiun. Dan bagi bahasa Indonesia sendiri, jadi kami sangat antusias untuk menyambut melaksanakan dari diklat SDM KCIC yang Jakarta-Bandung ini.
Throughout the construction of the Jakarta-Bundong HSR, the Chinese side had provided training for Indonesian employees in an effort to support Indonesia in building its own HSR technical workforce. The high-speed railway, a flagship project on the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative, connects Indonesia's capital Jakarta and another major city, Bandung. It is the first of its kind in Indonesia and Southeast Asia.